What is going on, you guys, and welcome back to another video. As you can see by the title of this video, we're transforming the 335 with a new front bumper. Now, if you're already subscribed to the channel, you probably just watched my video where I installed these Artisa Artform Titan wheels. They look fantastic, paired with some fresh BC Racing BR Series coilovers. I've got both those videos on the channel, so be sure to check them out. But obviously, we have the final touch to the car right here. This is a M Sport front bumper from ECS Tuning. I'll have everything linked down in the description below. But I fell in love with this bumper after having one of these on my 328. I'll pop up a picture right now. But these things really just transform the look and feel of these cars from the outside. You'll also notice I've paired it with a carbon fiber M-Tech style front lip. So I'm excited to test that out. And we've got a little bit of assembly to do. It does come with all the grills and parts needed. I was actually surprised. It came with complete fog light assemblies. So this will be nice. I'll be able to retain the factory fog lights in a much more attractive design. But in order to clip all these in and bolt all these together, we'll actually be reusing some of the stock hardware that is currently on the stock bumper. So to get started, we got to get this thing up in the air and pull that stock bumper off. Now, if you're doing this at home, obviously you could either use jack stands or if you have access to a lift, but you'll obviously have to get the car up off the ground to loosen fasteners underneath the bumper and within the fender wells. So I'm going to go ahead and take the wheels off just to make my life a little bit easier. Then under the hood, we're going to remove these 4 T30 bolts. Under the car, there's a bunch more 8mm bolts. Then in the fender well, there's a handful of additional 8mm bolts. Where the fender and the bumper connect, there are 2 more bolts right here, so you got to kind of snake up through the fender liner and get those 2 undone. And then when those are both done on both sides, we can go ahead and remove the bumper. Just being held on by fog lights. Just like that, she's off. Since I have the bumper off, one thing that I didn't do when I installed this big intercooler was trim this shroud very good. I inserted it from the bottom. I had the bumper on the whole time. So now while I have clear access, I'm actually gonna go ahead and trim this here and here to remove this because it's kind of pressed hard up against there. And I want to make sure it has plenty of room to breathe with this new front bumper. Alright, so like I said, we are going to have to transfer some clips over from the stock bumper. So we got a clip here, here, and here. Those all need to be transferred over. Same thing with the opposite side. And then we're going to unbolt the fog light housing so we can reuse this hardware and again these clips on the new bumper. We'll also take out these front grills by pushing in these tabs. On both sides of the new bumper, we'll be reusing these clips right here and here, and they're not pre-drilled holes, so we'll be drilling a small hole, same area that we'll be inserting the bolt here. Now we can go ahead and insert some of the grills. And now with all the lower grills in place, we should be able to flop this around and then insert the kidney grills. And I took this opportunity to clean them up. Shout out Shine Armor with that Fortify Quick Coat. And these should just pop right in. Now we should be ready to lock this thing up on the car. This is a lot easier with two people, but I know I'll be able to do it as I wiggle around the car. Oh man, this looks good. All right, I pretty much got her mocked up into place. All I gotta do is go around and tighten up all the screws from top to bottom, side to side. And since I don't have headlight washers on this car, I'm probably just gonna epoxy these in there. So it'll sit just like that, but these don't have anything to clip onto. You could order it without these or just do what I'm gonna do and just epoxy these in. Just like that. It's all tidied up. I will say I wanted to install this M-Tech carbon fiber front lip, but I'm gonna have to run to the store to get some hardware, and it's already nighttime. So I'm gonna go ahead, I wanna see what this looks like on the ground. I'm gonna put the wheels on, shut the hood, drop her down, take a look, and we'll probably install this in a separate video. This looks good. Oh, if I put that lip on, it's gonna be almost too low.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient, and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy.